Hey y'all, it's Kasia and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this silk press with these body curls on my natural hair. Yes, it's giving body, period, 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 period. Okay. So I started off with freshly washed and blow dry hair and I had just braided it in two braids because I was out and about during the day. And now it's nighttime and I'm getting ready to go out. So, that's a little length check. Yes, I'm at my bra in the back, period. So, I'm starting off with parting my hair, parting my hair into sections so that I can flat iron it. It's best if you flat iron it into the style that you want to wear it in. So, if you want to wear a side part, it's best to like part it out into sections with the side part instead of like doing a middle part and then trying to switch over. So I'm parting out my side part and then I'm going to part out the other side and then I'm going to part the middle and then I'll start with the back. I am going to pretty much fast forward me flat ironing and silk pressing my hair because I already have a silk pressing video. This was kind of just like an updated version of it just because I did one in like October of last year. So I wanted to like update with my hair length and kind of update, the video. But it's pretty much very similar. So I am going to link that above and I'm going to fast forward these clips. But I hope y'all enjoy. I'm going to come back to y'all in a little bit. Okay, so now that I'm done silk pressing my hair, these are my results. This is how long my hair has gotten since last year. If you've seen the video or if not, like I said, I linked it above. So this is how it's looking. Honestly, I should have trimmed my hair, but I'm gonna trim it next time I silk press it, which will probably be in like 2 months. So it's looking good and healthy. I'm just gonna go ahead and get dressed and then come back and curl it on camera. I'm also gonna pretty much fast forward the curling process too. Honestly, I really was rushing because this was my birthday dinner. Well, my birthday was on the 6th, but this was the 3rd. So yeah, my boyfriend took me out to dinner and I had to hurry up because we had reservations. And y'all, look at the front part of my hair. Like, what? I was rushing, running around like a crazy person, and my roots started getting poofy. I was sick. I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe this. And I hate putting a lot of heat in my hair, but y'all, I had to go over this part twice. Don't kill me in the comment section. I know. And just so y'all know, my hair did revert back when I washed it. And if you see a little helping hand, that's my friend Kayla. So yeah, she was helping me out because y'all, I was struggling and fighting for dear life. Okay. But for the most part, the curls came out really cute. I'm gonna shake them out, push them back, try to, play with them and get them fluffy like how I want them to be so it could give body and not flat. Also for my edges, I like to use a soft hold spritz. This is the olive oil spritz. It's a really, really soft hold spritz. So you can flat iron, I mean, you can use it on your natural hair or your weave when you're flat ironing it, and it'll hold it in place, but it won't make it like dry and crunchy like some other sprays do. So I really like that. So I'm using it to slick down my edges instead of using edge control, because sometimes edge control can be a little greasy after a while. So yeah, I'm gonna be curling my little sideburn and putting a little bit of spritz on my finger and then rubbing it on there so that that piece will lay down, and then I'm gonna go over my edges again, but you will see how it lays without looking crunchy. It's still soft, but it lays it down really good. And as you can see, the front part of my roots is not giving what it's supposed to give, y'all, so I'm gonna have to go back over it again. I'm just gonna do the first two pieces in the front and kind of like recurl them and touch up those roots, because I couldn't even go out like that. So after I'm done doing this, that's pretty much gonna be the end. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It really wasn't a tutorial. It was kind of just like an update, on my hair, and a little watch me do this style kind of thing. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. I'm gonna insert some clips from the end of the night after I went to dinner, and it's really just gonna be of my hair looking real bouncy or whatever. Also, I'm a shameless plug, so if you would like to shop my hair products, my shampoo, conditioner, edge control, and growth serum, I will leave all of my links in the description bar below, and y'all could check me out. This came out so bomb. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.